Hey, so today I'm going to walk you through S.C.O.R.E, which stands for Small Company Operations and Resource Engine. And honestly, if you run a small business and you've been piecing things together with spreadsheets and random apps, this is going to make your life a lot easier. Let me show you how to get set up from scratch, and then we'll take a look at what you can actually do inside the platform. The first thing you're going to see is this website that outlines what S.C.O.R.E is and what we offer. From here, you'll want to go to the top bar and find the blue button that says Start Free Trial. There's no credit card required, so you can get in and look around right away. This is where you'll create your account. Enter your name and a valid email address. Create a password you feel is strong enough. Click Continue. Once you sign up, we'll send you a verification email to confirm it's really you. Go check your inbox, and if you don't see it, take a quick look in your spam folder since first emails sometimes land there. Open the message from S.C.O.R.E and click Verify, and that's it. Your account is active. Now, I also want to show you how to sign in with a Google account. It's pretty simple. Just make sure you're selecting the right user. In this case, we'll sign up with S.C.O.R.E. And there you have it. You'll see a dashboard here. Of course, there's not a lot of data yet since we haven't created or uploaded anything so far. But here we have the main dashboard, the sales, which keeps track of your earnings and lets you get receipts. Inventory, where you actually edit your stock. Categories, suppliers, and stores if you have more than one. Then there's your team, which is a pro feature we'll look at later. If you want to upgrade your plan, you can choose monthly or yearly, whatever fits your budget. Payments and statistics both require pro as well, but for now we'll stick with the free tier to show you how to get started. The first thing we're going to do is create a category. My shop sells clothes and accessories, so I'll start by creating a category and we'll call it accessories. Then we'll go back to the dashboard and add a product. We'll set the SKU, and for this one, we'll sell a leather bag. We choose our options: category, accessories, supplier, Walmart. For the price, let's say $50, and for the cost price, we'll pretend it costs us $3. We have 5 of these in the store, and I want it to notify me when there are only 2 left. You can select if you want a notification when the stock is empty or at your selected threshold. Then you can also add a description, which is optional. We upload a nice image that shows the item. I recommend doing this for all the products to avoid confusion, and that's it. We head to inventory and we can already see it there. Now let's pretend someone's going to buy it. We go to sales, we check out, and just like that, it's updated and we've made our first sale. Now let's take a look at a more advanced business.
Thank you, Alex, for that wonderful introduction. My name is Karen, and I'll walk you through my store and how I use S.C.O.R.E to improve all my operations. This is the sales screen, where I ring up a customer. My products are laid out with photos, so I tap the ones they're buying to add them to the cart. If my catalog is large, I can search or filter to find an item quickly. I also keep my suppliers, product categories, and store details here. This is the team page. I add a teammate by entering their email. I can set each person's role, and these checkboxes control exactly what they're allowed to access, which pages they see, and whether they can edit inventory or run checkout. The statistics page breaks down the numbers: total revenue, my average sale, how many items I've sold, and the total value of my inventory. The charts below show payment types and stock levels. On the Payments tab, I connect Stripe to accept card and contactless payments. In my profile, I can change the language. Switching to Spanish updates the entire app. There's also a dark mode toggle down here, which switches the whole interface to a darker theme. So now let me open a product to edit it. Each one has fields for the name, price, cost, supplier, and quantity on hand. I change what I need. Here, I'm updating the S.C.O.R.E. And when I save, it updates across the whole system. Now back to the dashboard. It flagged 2 items. The first is the external SSD, which is out of stock. I'll open it, click Edit, and enter the new quantity I received. After saving, the status changes from out of stock to in stock, and the quantity updates. Every edit gets recorded in the activity log, which I can open here. It shows what was changed, by whom, and when. Useful when I have staff updating inventory. The second item was the display port cable, which was low on stock. Same steps, I open it, edit the quantity, and save. Back on the dashboard, both alerts are cleared. Nothing low and nothing out of stock. If I'm adding a lot of products at once, I can import them instead of typing each one. I download this template, fill in my spreadsheet, and upload it here. In Archived, I can see deleted items that I can recover anytime. Last, the Plans page. The free plan covers up to 100 products, point of sale, and low stock alerts. The Pro plan, which is the one that I am using, adds unlimited products, more user accounts, and advanced reports and analytics. I can switch between them or stay on free as long as I want. And honestly, it has been a lifesaver for my business. That's the full walkthrough of how I run my store on S.C.O.R.E. Thanks for watching.